Again. What's up, guys? It's me, Isaiah.
It's me. Hey guys, it's me, Kai.
So today's video, we're gonna watch like Jim Bird of Newer Super Mario Brothers DS Part 2, and let's watch it.
Hello everyone, it's me, Jellirby, and welcome back to newer Super Mario Bros. DS. I know it's been about almost a year since I posted the last video, but hopefully I should be on top of my uploading schedule, so anyway, with that being said, no more excuses, let's get into World 2. And we're starting off with 2-1, Crystal Swoop Grotto. A swooper in the back looks really nice. Wait. Hold on, I just need to change my controls. Alright, and we're back! So, after changing my controls, the controls seem a bit more refined now. Or to my control setup. What is this? What is this? Oh, we got the hammer suit on our hands now. We get to yeet hammers like an absolute boss, and oh, this power-up is so cool. Like, we've got the hammer from Super Mario Bros. 3 combined with... Wait, what is in this pipe? What is in this pipe? Looks like we're about to find out what's in this pipe. Big bats combined with mini bats and a star coin. What more can you want in a sub-area? Oh, hello there. What the... Okay, there we go. For some reason, it didn't get hit. Like, at all. Okay. Forget that. Let's keep going. Jeez, there is a lot of fog in this area. Have I ever told you that? There is a ton of fog. Also, I would like to keep a reserve of this. Get out! Die! You too, you big douche. Huh. Alright, let's see if we can find any bussy beetles. Anyone? Oh, hello there.
No, you didn't use my hammer!
If I didn't need you for the star coin, I would have just yeeted you into the abyss. In fact, I just did that, but only so I can get a star coin. I'm not happy with you, Buzzy Beetles. Which is why all of you must die. Okay. After getting my anger out on the Buzzies, we've got another hammer. Thank goodness. Don't worry, Buzzy Beetles. All has been forgiven. What's in this pipe? Oh, the pipe is a cannon. What did I think would happen, to be honest? Alright. Which one of these pipes should I go down? Let's try this one. Nope. Try the green one. Oh, it was the green one. Cool, cool, cool. Alright, we got to start. What just happened? Right. That flowed faster than my brain could comprehend. So, I think what happened was we got Star Coin as we were flying through the cannon. And then after that, a couple of milliseconds after, we got the flag. Cool. Let's move on to World 2. Okay, World 2-2, Pipe Break Cave. Let's go. Yep, there's a lot of pipes. Oh, a fire flower. Well, oh, I thought I wouldn't get hit. Let's see what your pipe contains. Nothing. Okay. Thanks for wasting my time. What? Alright, this pipe is a little strange. Let's head down this way. A star coin! Cool. Mess it up. Murder this Koopa. A star. I feel like I'm gonna need this. Am I gonna need this star? Like at all? No. I don't think so anyway. Nope. That star was literally just so I could kill stuff. Wait, thanks for nothing, you stupid star. What the? What happened to my controls? I let go of right, and Mario still went right. Mario. Why? Why did you do that, Mario? Alright. This time, Mario, don't kill yourself. Okay, good. Omega Mushroom. Give me this, give me this! Time to literally shatter everything. Come on. Yes! The meter's filled up. If you didn't know in the original game, once that meter fills up, you get 5 1-ups. An actual incentive to destroy stuff in this game. Who would have thought? Alright, this path is blocked. So let's see if we can open that up through this pipe. What is this? Wait a second. I think I might know what this is. Oh, this is a reference to the original Mario Bros, I think. Like, with how the pipes are laid out? Well, it is. That's a neat reference. And the pipes lead to a star coin. Cool. Alright, let's head back down now. And back into this pipe, so hopefully... Yeah, the pipe opened up for us. Alright, 2 levels done in the span of like 5 minutes. Anyway, 2-3. If the layout of this level is telling me something, then there has to be a whole bunch of switches, I'm guessing. 2-3, switching. I was right! There are going to be a whole bunch of switches in this level. Let's go. Oh, a 1-up. Thanks, Red Mystery Block. Whoa, this level looks cool. Whoa! Okay, these shells cannot activate these flipping platforms. Got it. I want to go down here, but I want to see what's to the right. Mario, jump! I want to see if I can make it up here. Come on! Fine, I'll go down. Let's go. Let's see what's under here. Ooh, a red switch. Uh-oh. Will this activate the thing? Oh, it will! Get up, Mario! Oh! Alright. Due to my sucky controlling of Mario, I'm gonna have to do this again. Come on. Huh. I just followed the blocks and it just led me to a star coin. Interesting. Even if the red blocks were deactivated, I think I could just bounce off this Koopa to get it. Oh, whatever. I got it. Get the coins for me. Or have literally no coins at all. This big piranha plant seems to be a problem. Hopefully a switch will do something. Hey! Can't get this hot piece of ravioli now, can't you, piranha plant? Oh, it opens up the star coin. Now, how am I supposed to get it? Oh, you just jumped. Cool. Huh. Anyway, into the pipe we go. Let's see where this leads. off the stage. Or off the screen, I should say. Wait, checkpoint. Come on, wait. Wait, I forgot to mention this in the other levels, but the checkpoint looks like a crystal. That looks cool. Alright, I don't know if you saw the previous video or not, but in the previous video, the checkpoints look like leaves. Let's dance with the Koopa Shell. Maybe we shouldn't have danced with the Koopa Shell. That gave us nothing.
Hold on. Oh, there we go. I was just making sure.
Goodbye and goodbye. Let's see what's down this. Let's see what's in this pipe. Oh, it's another cannon. Cool. One other way to switch. Oh, I got the star coin. No, I want to see what's in there. What's in that pipe? I can't even go back either. Dang it, I wanted to see what was in there. Oh, whatever. Into the cannon pipe. We'll go in on the next attempt of this level, because I really want to know what's down there. Mario? Okay. Oh my god, don't die now, please! Oh. Alright, level 3 of World 2 cleared. Before we continue on, let's see what's in the pipe. 2-3, switching sewer once again. Here we go.
Off we go!
Alright, we're back to where we left off in this level. Just gotta hit this switch, head down. And this time, we just gotta run. Come on, get in, get in! Nice, we got in the pipe. Let's see where this leads. To another red switch. And the red flag for this level. There seems to be a lot of red in that secret exit. I wonder why. We'll never know. Anyway, 2-A! I forgot to see what the level name was called. Anyway. Forget that. Let's just get into the level. Seems we're Mini Mario, running across the water. I like the atmosphere that this level contains. Don't know if I ever said that or not. Because, like, a water cave? I've only seen like a few levels in the official Nintendo games that had this. Huh. Switch. A pipe has opened up. Let's see where it takes us. Is this the end? Another red flag! Cool! Let's see where this one takes us. A cannon. I don't think we should go in there, but whatever. Let's try to get the other exit. Anyway, wait. 2-A is Hydro Skip Drain. Forgot to say that when we were doing that, but.
Okay, I'll be right back. I need.
Oh, wait.
Sorry, guys, I'll be right back. Back, my guy. My guy,
Yeah?
I'm back.
Okay.
Oops.
Yeah, now the pipe is blocked, as I thought it would. Anyway, down we go. Oh, more of these stupid pink things. Goodbye. Goodbye. Which way? The checkpoint! And another mini mushroom. I think this would be very helpful for us in the future. Okay, those don't have anything. Watch those piranhas! Oh, now we have to go under. Which is kind of what I was already doing before. But whatever. These jumps are starting to get pretty tight. What's in here? What's in this? Alrighty. Now we're rising up the water. Whoa! Stay up! Stay up, Mini Mario! Oh. Alright, let's try that again, shall we? Up and under. Right. This time, let's see what happens if we... Ah! I appear to have missed a star coin on my first attempt at this level. Alrighty. At least we got it now. At least we got it now. Alright, be careful this time, Mario. Oh, a yellow pipe. Where does it take us? Why is there a yellow pipe here? Well, because it has a star coin behind it, of course. I didn't actually know that there would be a star coin there. But at least there is one. A pipe. Whatever. 2-4. Wagon Way. Wait, are we gonna be in the minecart? Oh, this level's... If we're about to be in a minecart, this game's gonna turn into like Donkey Kong Country if we go into a minecart. Yo, we're actually in a minecart! This is so cool! Like, how did Newer Team manage to make this? Because this looks incredible! Oh my god! Props to them for making a super original idea. Well, for the new Super Mario Bros. Series, of course, because this is already in Donkey Kong. Huh. I don't think we got enough height from that. Okay, let's try that again. Let's head back into Donkey Kong Land, or just in the minecart. Let's go. Whoa! Almost, just barely avoided that Koopa Troopa. We go as the coin's guide. It's like The Sims, except just coins and not some supernatural green crystal. Oh! Wait, you can change... Wow, I just noticed. It can flip gravity. That is just insane. What the... We're on the ceiling now! And we don't appear to be stopping. I saw the flag and I just jumped towards it. Huh. That's 2 levels in a row with secret exits. Wow, they're really hiding secrets from us. Alright, back down the pipe we go. Awesome. I like this music. This remix of the slide music from Mario 64 is really good. Wait. I swear I went in the pipe. Or not the pipe. I swear I went on the track there. Like, I was like 95% on the track and... What is this section right here? I don't recall ever having to go through this. I'm guessing that's what it is after the checkpoint. Oh, it is. Cool. Watch out. Mario! I jumped too high there. Come on. Let's go. Oh! Oh, I hit the piranha plant. That was close. Come on, bro. You got this. The loop-de-loops. Why are there loop-de-loops on a minecart rail system thing? That star coin was free, by the way. And we got it. 2-4 is done. That was so cool. Wait. On to 2-tower. Flip tube tower. Are we back into the sewer levels? Oh, we are. Cool. Up into the cannon. Huh. Wait, what's this up? Oh, cool, it's a wraparound level. 2 Marios, guys. It's me, Mario. Oh. Nice, a 1-up. And a star coin. This game is so generous. Wait, did you hear that? There's a bit of delay on the hit when I bump into the ceiling. Okay. Now, how are we going to do this? Oh, use the swallow zone. Oh! Come on, Mario. See if I can bounce off this. Alright. Wait, what if I just bounce off this? Come on, Mario! Alright, let's take the cannon pipe. At least I'm assuming that was a cannon pipe. It was definitely a cannon pipe. I want that star coin, but how are we going to get it? Maybe by hitting the switch? Oh! Let me down! Okay. So that was how you got the star coin. That was cool. This platform can make it really annoying, though. Right, up we go. Oh, it's Bowser Jr. Oh no, I'm so scared! Yeah, that's also present in this game. You can just spam Bowser Jr. with fireballs and he dies in like 3 seconds. I don't know if you saw that in the previous video or not, but just wanted to bring it back up. What is this? Oh, a mushroom house. Yes, I would like to save. 2-5. Here we go. Tightrope ravine. What is this? This doesn't seem to be in a cave. Oh, now it's in a cave. What happens if we go up here? We go outside of the cave! This is incredible! Newer team has made something incredible with their games. So anyway, speaking of which, how do I get down here? Let me try bouncing off this Koopa. Yeah, that definitely didn't work. Alright. Let me just stay here and think about how you even get to that point in the first place. Oh! You can fall through them. That's good to keep in mind. Oh. Let me just get this real quick. Nice. Give me another one of those fire flowers while you're at it. Okay. Now, I think we just need to fall through this platform and get it. Watch the bullet bill, though. Jeez. Oh, I got it. Now I just need to make sure not to die. Oh, my goodness. Wait. Okay. Don't know why he decided not to die, but okay. Alright. Whee! Off across the ropes we go. Oh, hello, Boomerang Bro. Oh, goodbye, Boomerang Bro. What the? Jeez, Boomerang Bro 2. Revenge of the Boomerangs. Alright, here we go. A pipe! What does it hold? What secrets do you hold, Mr. Pipe? A bunch of bullet bills. Oh! Mario took that like a boss! And the pipe's gone now. Coins, give me coins. I need 1-ups. Give me all the coins. Yeah, you heard it from here, folks. Mario temporarily turned into Wario there. Right. Watch out, Mario! You almost fell. What? Jeez. Oh, you stupid turtle. Give me this. Why do they have to be moving? Like, seriously. Out of all the things that you could have move, why do they have to be moving? Nice! You got all the star coins. Now let's head down this pipe. And that's it! And we got it. Wait, Mario, look out! Mario!
Oh yeah, Mario time.
Jeez, Mario. I thought you died. Don't scare me like that, bro. Wait. 2-6, Gushing Culvert. I don't know what that is. I'm guessing we're gonna have an underwater level. Yep. My favorite type of level. Why was there a 1 up here? Anyway, that's interesting. Oh, great, this stupid particle effect is back!
Sorry.
From the previous video. Somehow we're gonna have to endure this stupid effect until we get out of here. Just, Mario, swim. Swim against the current. Oh. Huh. These hammers can kill cheeps. What a shocker. Because the secret to killing things is always hammers. What? Wait, were these pipe currents meant to block my passage? I'm guessing they are, but they didn't really do that good of a job. Alright, get me out of this. Oh my goodness, I'm safe from the underwater hell. Only to go right back in and immediately after. Jeez. Jeez, here. Die. 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 You die as well. Die. Mario's just on a ginger stroll as he falls all the way down to the bottom of the Mariana's Trench. Or whatever's in this underwater cave. I'm pretty sure underwater caves actually exist. Wait, what's there? What's there? No! Take me back! No, I wanted to see what was there! Wait. Can I race against the current? Nope, and I lost my hammer. I couldn't see the gap because the freaking particles. Alright, just give me this shell. Oh my goodness! Come on, go, go, go! Jeez, I didn't even notice that the time was running out. We're going back in to get that final star coin. So this time we're gonna stay at the top of the screen for as long as possible. Mash! Mash! You can make it, Mario! I believe in you! Yes, we made it, we made it. Okay, stop. Stop. Don't go back down there without another one of these. We need this. So that way we can ensure our survival. Alright. Back up we go. We're not gonna take the spring this time, because why would we do that? This time we actually beat 2-6. That didn't take, that really shouldn't have taken that long. Flame Burst Flotilla. Okay. Is this another one where we're gonna be back in the mountains? Like, get in the pipe. Okay, let's go. I can see the airship in the background, so I'm guessing we are, yep, we are definitely in the mountains, which is kind of more fitting since we're in an airship. What is up there? Get up. Come on, Mario. Mario, get up there! Come on. Mario! Come on! Don't do this. Nice. We got a star coin. Oh, come on, fire. There's no need to roast me like that. Jeez, if I didn't know I was playing a ROM hack, then I would have just assumed that this game was made by Nintendo, because I know I've said this like multiple times over. But this game is incredible. I mean, like, this is probably one of the best games that I've ever played. I would love to keep doing these levels, or these type of videos, where we just sit down, have a nice, chill, 100% playthrough of this game. Anyway, in the red pipe, let's see where this takes us. Who's at the other side? Oh, hello, Bowser Jr. Oh, hey, look, it's a Goomba. Time to kill. Okay, then. How have the growth hormones delayed for you like this, buddy? Yeah, that wasn't so bad. I played the original New Super Mario Bros. DS game a lot, so these bosses are not really that hard for me, to be honest. Well, 3. This would probably be a good time to end off today's video. If you want to see me play through World 3, then be sure to leave a like on this video. And also, if you feel like supporting my channel, then be sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell, so that way you won't miss any of my future videos whenever they happen to come out. And speaking of videos, I'll see you in the next one.
So, my guy, how you doing?
Yeah. Looking, it's nice.
Okay. So, guys, it was better like from, yeah. All right. After my done this video, all right. After I finish my video, all right. All right, mommy. Sorry about that. So, guys, it was better like from Super Mario 3D World and New Super Mario Bros. Wii and New Super Mario Bros. U and New Super Mario Bros. 2 for the 3DS and Super Mario Bros. 3 and another Super Mario Bros. Wii and something else like New Super Mario Bros. Wii. And yeah. And that is it, guys. I'll see you guys next week for another video. And for Jimber Newer Super Mario Bros. DS Part 3 next week for Friday. And that is it. See you next week. Come on, my guy. You too.
Peace out.
Peace out.
Bye.
Bye.